On today's body cam, we're checking out police surprise shoplifter at Meijer as she walked out with stolen merchandise.
On January 15th, 2025, officers were dispatched to Meijer in response to an active shoplifting incident.
She saw me and stopped. What's up, dude? She just saw me and stopped.
Hold on. Okay, there she goes.
She's going out? She's going out?
Yep, she's going. Hi, ma'am.
Stop. Stop right now. Please stop.
Stop.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm all right.
I'm good.
Put the phone down for me.
I'm sorry.
Stop.
Okay,
Don't reach in the back.
I'm sorry.
Put your hands behind your back.
Please don't do that.
What's your name, dear? Put your hands behind your back. Interlace your fingers for me. Interlace your fingers like you're praying. Just hang tight. You're being detained right now, okay? We're good. Robert 21. I got one detained on the grocery side.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Too late to be sorry now.
What's that?
I wasn't running nothing.
Okay. It looked like it for a minute. That's why I yelled.
never.
No worries. You said your name's Carissa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, she just turned around to go the other way. No real big reason or anything. She wasn't running though.
Okay.
Maybe she was just checking out the lottery machine.
All right. Why don't you have a seat, Carissa?
Everything's right in there.
It's up to you guys. It's your show.
I figured it'd be easier to take her to the office.
It's just an outfit.
All right. Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, sir. I have nothing on
Can
me.
I search you? Do you even have pockets?
No, I don't. I don't have
Is
other.
this your phone?
It's my phone.
I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna put it in your bag. Okay.
Can I pay for it?
I'm gonna use the back of my hand to check your
I know that. I'm just sorry.
sides.
This bag is on you, isn't it?
Okay.
No, that's my bag.
That's your
sir.
bag?
That's my bag. I came in with that, sir.
Shoplifters always want to pay for things after they already done stole it.
It's just an
Bring it
outfit.
LP.
It's just an outfit.
Was your ID in the purse?
I don't have an ID.
You don't have an ID?
No.
Before we go back there, let me get your information so we can. Do you have warrants?
No, sir.
Have you been arrested for shoplifting
No,
before?
sir. Never. I never.
All right, let's go back with these guys.
I'm sorry.
Are you with anyone today?
No, I've never.
How'd you get here?
I mean, I rode with somebody, yes.
Where are they at?
I have no idea. They were shopping as well.
She came in solo. We were outside.
I did come in solo, yeah. But
What kind of car is it?
Smoking when we were.
I don't know where he is. I know he just wanted to grab a drink and come back. I don't know.
What kind of car is he in?
I don't know what kind of car it is. It's a black car. I don't know.
There's a male associated with her in a black car outside. If there's anyone sitting out there.
Sir, I'm so sorry.
Pay for it. I understand you're sorry.
I know.
Get ready off
I
74.
know. I know. What? I'm not being caught.
She's not really sorry. She's just sorry that she got caught.
That's their process, not mine.
Probably 2
We'll figure it out. I'm not going to promise you anything right now yet, okay? I'll just be honest with
I'm
you.
just homeless and
Okay.
I'm waiting on a bed at
So before we talk anymore, I'm going to read you the rights, okay? You're in handcuffs, so I got to read you the rights, okay? I'm not going to say you're not going to jail, but you're not 100% going to jail, okay? Let's just take some deep breaths. We'll go back here. We'll do what we got to do on their end, and then we'll deal with what I got, okay?
I know, I'm sorry. I've never done this before.
It's not the end of the world.
I know, but I just...
When this ultimately
This is why
does.
I don't ever do this.
Where are you living at?
I'm homeless right now. I literally live in a tent right now. But I'm waiting on a bed at St. Marie.
Okay.
Yes.
So who's dude that you met?
He's a really, really good friend of mine.
Okay.
I've known him since like childhood, that's all.
So pretty much a guy that you like that you're probably just stringing along.
Anthony, trespass. So, no matter what, you are going to be trespassed from all Meijer.
Okay.
Anywhere where our Meijer logo is at, you're not welcome. Gas stations included all across the country.
Are you like 11? I'm finding
We
repossession
are
information.
also going to take a report ourselves, just for our database. If you are caught, even just walking on property, and they recognize you, they will call you. Any Meijer. It is just our process.
I'm so sorry.
I understand.
Just trying to get my shit together. This is my list.
What stuff you were going to steal?
No, I wasn't gonna steal it because I need. If you notice, none of that's in my cart.
Thank you, Brett.
Those are just things I need, that's all.
Needles? Is that what this says?
No, this is needle and thread.
Is there, are you a user?
No, there's needle and thread in there. Is what it says, needle and thread.
All right. I'm not gonna get poked by anything in
No,
here.
sir, no, sir.
What were you saying about a black car out here? Is there somebody else I should be looking for?
She arrived with a mail. She thinks it was a black car, but I don't have any further description.
That's literally all it took was on here.
Alright, ma'am, can you do me slowly?
Male, white, male, black.
Is he a white guy or a black guy? Black guy?
Yeah, K-A-R-I.
Okay.
Black male. I'm trying to get you more.
Older car, newer car?
Older car, I don't have to sit down.
Is it his car?
No, I think it's his sister's car.
Alright, ma'am, your date.
I didn't steal those are mine.
Black sedan,
I'm
possibly
sorry.
registered to a female.
10/29/91.
Was he wearing a hat or anything?
I don't know.
Actually,
I'm out here looking now. I think he bounced.
I don't have any water. If I did, I would.
Yeah, I'm sure the cruiser spooked him.
Office.
What have you been to the Justice Center for?
I'm here a long list of things, sir. I mean, I've been struggling with addiction for a long time, but I'm in the methadone clinic. I've been in the methadone clinic since I got out in November, and I've been doing really good. I mean, I'm just homeless, and I just started working, and
I got it. Where are you working at?
I'm working for a construction company, and it's like under the table, really. But it sucks because I kind of get screwed and those nature things, I guess.
I got you. You guys have an affidavit back here?
Yeah,
Sweet.
right here. I'll let you know in a second. Total is 107.97.
Okay.
What's that mean?
That's the total amount that you stole.
I will pay it.
Once you hit our doors, you can't.
I know, but I'm just saying, like, I will pay it back to you guys if I need to. Like,
Anthony, you're right about this.
If you need to. Of course you need to. What the hell are you talking about?
Martin, you have a dollar amount?
107.97.
They're filling out an affidavit now.
Copy. I'd say this is going to be a physical.
I walked on you. Does she have any 30s?
No wants, no warrants. It'll be a physical.
Yep.
Okay.
So, like I stated before, you are going to be trespassable.
Yes, sir.
Minors.
Is this for life?
As of right now, it's just for a year.
Okay.
When this goes to court
Okay.
and seeing how cooperative you are and everything, we're still going to ask for a stay-away order.
Okay.
That's just my book.
Okay.
But it will be up to mine and his discretion on how long.
Okay.
Well, my boss is out here. He's doing some of our paperwork to try to expedite this, and I don't know what his decision is going to be, honestly.
Okay.
So we'll go from there. I'm not going to be like, oh yeah, no, and then we have to go. So I don't want.
I never even heard of this store
I don't want to
before.
lie to you if he says we got to go to the jail.
You just really screw up so much for me right now.
I got you.
You know she going to jail.
Stay in there.
Oh, sir.
All right.
Please talk.
That's where we're at, okay?
Why, sir?
That's what my boss said.
Can I please talk to him, please?
I'll see if he wants to talk to you,
Please,
but that's where we're at, okay?
Please let me talk to him.
I'll see what he says. Come on, this isn't your first rodeo. You've got other thefts.
No, those were not. Those were ignored, sir. It was the wrong situation. It was with my step.
Listen, life runs on Duncan.
Oh, I got you.
Various clothing.
Yes. She wants to talk to you. He said just a minute.
No, America runs on Duncan. That's what it says.
The way that it works in Green Township is if you're arrested for shoplifting, you go to jail. It's the low-level property crime offense. You're going to be processed out. It's not like you're going to stay down there. I don't see any cases for you.
You're cooked.
You'll probably get out today. You'll go down, you'll get processed through, you'll talk to...
Photograph and a court date.
Yeah.
Hit the subscribe, let the 808 slide crazy.